Hello everyone, we are from Group IF for EA10. My name is Anastasia Rosarimini Ginting and this is my teammate Zara Nazia Ginting. This project is supervised by our project manager, Mrs. Umur Fitri Afifa. In this project, we develop an e-commerce website for Soju Badring with payment gateway integration. Okay, now I will explain about the background of this project. E-commerce play an important role in helping small business improve efficiency and expand their market reach through digital system. However, many businesses still rely on manual process and especially in order and transaction management. This often leads to inefficient and potential errors. Soju Badring is currently using social media platform like Instagram and WhatsApp for ordering. This makes process less structured and difficult to manage. In addition, customers also face limitation in accessing product information and tracking their orders. Therefore, an integrated digital system is needed to support better business operation and improve user experience. Based on this condition, we identified several key problems. The first problem is the lack of integrated e-commerce system for Soju Badring. Second, manual ordering and transaction process that reduce efficiency. Third, no automated payment system using Kris or payment gateway. Fourth, limited access to product information and order status for customers. And lastly, need for a modern and user-friendly interface to support rebranding. To address this problem, we propose the following solution. The development and integrated e-commerce websites, specifically for Soju Badring. We transformed the manual process into a structured and efficient digital system. We also implemented a Kris-based payment gateway to enable a faster and more reliable transaction. In addition, the system provides clear access to product information and order details and transaction history. Lastly, we designed a modern and user-friendly interface to support the rebranding and improve user experience. Based on this solution, we define several key features in our system. The first feature is product selection, where user can browse products and choose variants such as size and price. Next is the shopping cart, allowing user to add products and review their selected item. The checkout system enables user to place order by entering shipping details and confirming their purchase. For payment, the system supports the digital transaction using Kris, making the process faster and more efficient. User can also view their order status and transaction history, although the tracking is limited to order, process, and delivery status. Lastly, the review and rating feature allow user to provide feedback after completing a purchase.
In this slide, I will explain the methodology used in our project. We use the waterfall model, which consists of several sequential stage. First, requirement analysis. In this stage, we identify system requirements based on user needs and business processes. Second, system design. We design the user interface and system structure, including the application flow. Third, implementation. We develop the system using Next.js and Tailwind CSS for the front end and Laravel for the back end. Fourth, testing. We test the system to ensure all features work properly and to minimize errors. Fifth, deployment. The system is deployed so it can be accessed and used by users. And lastly, maintenance. We maintain the system, fix bugs, and improve features after deployment. Next, I will explain the application architecture. Our system consists of several main components. First, the front end. It is built using Next.js to handle user interface and interaction. Second, the back end. It is developed using Laravel to manage data, orders, and transaction. Third, the database. We use MySQL to store product data, user data, and transaction records. For the interface, we use Tailwind CSS and inline styling to create a responsive and modern design. Additionally, we integrate payment gateway, which is Midtrans, to process online payments securely and efficiently. Next is our project progress. So far, our project has reached around 55% completion. We have completed the requirement analysis and system design stage. This includes use case diagram, activity diagram, PR diagram, and wireframe. For the implementation stage, the front end has already been completed, while the remaining 45% focus on back-end development. So currently, especially in back-end development and system integration. Lastly, this slide shows our project documentation. These photos show our teams during the development process, including discussion, system development, and teamwork.
That concludes our project. Thank you.